Say
Thumb.
to be thumb.
Yes.
Thumb. Okay.
Thumb.
Thumb. Okay. Prudhvi is also saying thumb. Who else wants to give me an answer? Sandhya, I read your...
Nail.
Okay. Everyone on mute, please. Prudhvi, everyone on mute. Sanidhya, very good. I got your answer, Sanidhya. So children, here is one rule that you may remember while pronouncing your words. Simple words that we use daily. Thumb. Thumb. But B is not having a sound here. We don't say thumb. Thumb, no, it's thumb. Just thumb. Okay, not thumb. It's comb. Not comb. It's a comb. So comb. We are just using C as is someone unmuted? Rudransh dear, I'm muting you, okay? Please mute yourself, Rudransh. Ira, please mute yourself. So climb. CLIMB. We climb the ladder, right? So it is not climb. Climb, nahi. It's climb. Whatever is ending with B here, B is not having any sound in the pronunciation. Okay? Thumb, climb. Can anyone give me more examples? I will go to, okay, Deeptish, I got your input. Can anyone give me more example of words that end with B and where we don't make the sound of B? Body part, plumber, very good. Bomb, very good. Hima, very good. Okay, so in plumber, the B you are talking about is in middle of the word. I'm talking about the B that is at the end of the word.
Plum.
Plum. What is the spelling that you're saying? Number? No, beta, it's number only. 2, very good. Sanidhya, bomb. Okay. Sanidhya, where are you, dear? Can I look at you?
Lamb.
Lamb, very good. Ikshita has raised her hand. Sam, very good. Ikshita, do you have any answer to share?
Samiksha, but stamp doesn't have B, okay?
Ikshita, are you raising your hand, dear? Okay, I think you raised by mistake. Okay, coming back to more words, can anyone share more inputs?
Mom.
Come again?
Mom, can it will be cold?
Yeah, bad idea. Everybody, please be on mute. Noise, I cannot hear. Yes.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, you learned a few words right now.
Thumb.
Cab, cab is as it is. Cab, but we take to move from a destination, from a point to a destination, right? That cab is as it is called as a cab. Okay, I will make another attempt.
Ma, you close from.
Yeah, most of you have understood, but some of you may have not understood. So everyone on mute, please. It's a request. Okay, Ikshita is on mute. Right. Children, so see, there are few words. Jo, jiska last mein there is an alphabet B. Okay, like for example, comb. C-O-M-B, comb. Okay, womb, okay. C-O-M-B, comb. We ignore the B, the sound of B, and we just take the other part of the word. That is comb. Tube, womb. Am I clear? So हम womb नहीं बोलते, हम tomb नहीं बोलते, thumb नहीं बोलते, comb नहीं बोलते. There is a sound of B. Okay?
When M and B come in a word, then B milk island.
Okay, not always. There is another rule to that. And right now, today in our session, right now, we are discussing for the B that is coming at the end of the word. Okay? Okay, so now I want lamb. Okay. Now I want all of you to quickly grab, go around and bring whatever artwork you have done in last week. Whatever you think is the best. Just bring it on the table and show it. Or some other craft work for that matter. It does not have to be something in the drawing book. It can be any craft that you have done in the past week. I would like to have a look. So I'm waiting. You all go and get it. Okay. Sanskruti has made this on her own. So pretty. Wow, Sachi, such a lovely sunflower. Lovely. Dhruvi, what is it, dear? I cannot see. Is that a card you have made for your friend? Lovely. Sanidhya. Oh, wow. Sanidhya, it's so cute. Look at that. There is sun and there is a blossom tree. Okay. It's hot. There are stars and moon. That. Hi, Sanvi. Oh, that's lovely. Is that a dog or elephant? Sorry, my screen is blurred. Can you tell me what is it? Mohit, you made this?
Lady.
Wow. Such artists I've got in my class, huh? Nice. Anya has got Lord Krishna. Very nice. Pretty. Oh my God, that is something.
Ma'am, my sister had made it.
Priya, lovely.